Oh, good morning, everybody. Today we got something completely different here. I was gifted a drone about a year ago for Christmas, and I took it out and I flew it, got it caught in telephone lines up at Mary Lou's. And so, this is a beginner drone, so you're not supposed to fly it in high winds or anything, and I was flying it in a bit of a breeze and so anyway, I'm learning to use this thing. It took me a year to finally decide that I needed to deal with this and get this thing up and running. So anyway, this is the drone. It's it's very inexpensive drone from Costco. It's pretty cool, but I figured I need to learn to use the thing and control it before I start taking videos. And the thing does have videos. This is a controller. This is your drone, the battery. And anyway, yeah, Pete wanted to see this, so I figured I'd just do a quick little video of how this thing works, and or just basically watch the stupid thing fly. But I need to practice, get to the point where I'm pretty good, because this doesn't have self-tracking or anything like that, any of the fancy stuff. So this drone has to be completely flown. It's not an automatic type of drone where you can latch onto you. So we're going to practice here in the driveway. We've got dead calm conditions, which is what they recommend. So anyway, what I need to do right now is I'm going to put the battery here in the back of the drone. And then I've already got, oh shoot, let's see, that's upside down. Okay, then I need to sync this thing with the controller. So we set this thing down over here. We'll start it off in the driveway first, so you guys can kind of see it. Okay, then I turn this on. Let's see, sync it by going forward, backwards. Wait, that's forward. Oh, how does this work? This is on. Oh, shit. Okay, I forgot to turn the drone on. Okay, now we sync it by forward, backwards. Okay, it should be synced. Now we're going to turn it on. Okay, and then let's lift it off. Okay, let's take it up a little bit. Okay, here we go. The thing will hover pretty good, I think, so. Alright, now. Let's see, go a little bit over. We're going to try and land it right on that plywood. Okay, let's take it down. All right, that was a controlled flight. Better than I've ever done. So let's take it back on up. All right, it's going up. Okay, now we're going to turn it. And then, Takes me a little time to think about this stuff. Okay, there we got it. We're stuck in the tree here. I don't know if you guys, oh, I guess you guys can't see that. Sorry about that. I should have this thing on my head. Anyway, I think I need to correct the yaw on this. I need to sync that up. I think I crashed it a couple times, and so anyway, let's get this thing going again. Okay, that's right about light pattern. Let's see. Okay, not sure why that landed like that. I think I needed to increase my speed. Okay. There we go. Wait a minute. Look out, cat. Psst. Get away. Get away. You have the cat checking this thing out. Okay. Look out. Bailey, get away. Psst. Go on. Get. Why is that not responding? Okay, let's try. Huh. Okay. It's off, and we're going to turn this off. I'll turn this back on. Turn this on. Okay, we're sunk, or we're set up. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, now that was my doing. I actually landed it. So now I'm going to try and get it going. Anyway, you guys have pretty much got the idea how this thing works. So I'll take a good, this is definitely the controllers. This is power, throttle. And this is turning. This is up and down. Then this controls the yaw, which is from right to left. It kind of banks. And these controllers are the yaws. I gotta I still have a lot to figure out. I have to memorize a bunch of stuff on this thing to get it to do it. But let's try one more takeoff. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now it's working like it should. It's hovering good. Okay, now let's go backward. Oops. Okay, had to set that down. I tend to get a little confused once it starts moving fast, and that was pretty quick for me. Try and get this going again. Okay. We're going to try automatic pickup now. Okay. Okay, let's try and get this so I can land it again. Okay. Yeah. It's going to take me some learning to do this. So anyway, I just wanted to bring you guys on board to show you what we may have in store for you. This does have a pretty good quality camera. It's not super high definition, but it's not bad, I guess. I haven't really synced that in yet. I wanted to learn to fly this thing before I start trying to take videos, because that's going to take a lot more attention than I have at the moment when I'm trying to fly this. So I'm going to turn you guys off, and that's just a quick video to show you what's going on. All right? Well, you guys take care. Aloha, and I will talk to you later.